What's up, guys? And this is one of the videos that I'm really excited to do because we just met 1 year in creating content, and YouTube sent me these graphics, and I'm very happy to share this video with you because we did a little fun in the community few days ago. So I asked you guys to comment which opportunities you've gotten from my YouTube channel, and I saw a lot of beautiful comments from you guys, and I really appreciate it a lot. So first of all, before I move to the results, because this video is also very important for you if you're coming into this channel newly, or you want to join AI training, remote jobs, annotation projects, search engine evaluation jobs, then this video is very important for you because you'll be getting first-hand comments from people that watch me, from my community, people that commented that these are the jobs I have gotten. Now, why this is important is that it will also help you to know which roles are easier for you to get in. Now, around 6 years ago, before I started freelancing, working online, I was always searching on YouTube, like how to make money online, how to make money online. In fact, I got to a point where I started being so pissed at some of the content creators because they felt like these guys didn't really give me any information that was helping me. It was basically them getting views, making money from me watching them. So that was the way I felt. So when I started creating content, I always told myself, I will never want to be in a position where I will keep making these sweet, interesting, beautiful videos with crazy edits everywhere and just to drag people's attention. And at the end of the day, there's no value in it. Like, how would I watch a make money online creator and you're telling me that making money online is a thing of the mind? Like, that was not the kind of content I was looking for. I was looking for something practical, for someone who really had opportunities to share with me. So my main happiness is when people tell me that, they've earned money from the videos I create. It makes me reflect back to that time when I was just a university student looking for online opportunities and not finding any. So I feel like, okay, I'm doing something different. I made a post on the YouTube community where I asked you guys to comment the roles that have made you money. So if you're new to this channel, like I said, you can also go and go to the poll, see the results of the poll, and let's discuss the results right now. So you can see the highest opportunity that has paid my subscribers is Atlas, and over 35 persons voted and they said they made money from Atlas. The next is Micro One. I'm going to still give you some ideas and what I think about this pool. So the next opportunity that I've made people, around 30 people, is Micro One. And the next is Aurora Studio, which has around 25 people has earned from Aurora Studio. The next is Tarmac, and about 20 people have been shortlisted for Tarmac. The next is Turin. 10 people have been shortlisted for Turin. The next is Minddrift. Around 7 people got Minddrift. The next is Remo Expert. Around 6 people got Remo Expert. And Uber AI. Around 4 persons get Uber AI. Super Annotate. Around 4 people got Super Annotate. And CrowdGen/Appen, where we have around 4 people also got CrowdGen/Appen. Now, if you come to the comment section of this post, you see people like really are making money from the kind of content we are putting out right now. You see this person has made this. This person said in 1 to 2 months they have been shortlisted for this gig. Silencio, Micro One, Meko is doing an interview with Meko, and he thinks he's very positive about it. And I'm very happy when I see comments like this. You can see all these guys, they're making money online, and I'm very happy like that people are gaining from the information I'm sharing. And you can see a lot of people, I know this guy, so yeah, I think this is Emmanuel. You see these guys are making money from this. I think I saw this guru guy, yeah, this guy, I think he also has touring, yeah. So you see these guys are making money, like all these people. And this person got 3 gigs, and she's very grateful, and I'm very happy when I see that my subscribers are gaining from the kind of content I'm putting out. I can't go through each of these comments one by one, but like, you guys are really wonderful, and I'm very happy that that I have viewers like you. For the result for the top 3, Aurora Studio, Atlas, and the Micro One gig. Yeah, I did expected them to be the top 3 because these 3 did mass recruitment in one particular point in time, and a lot of you guys got into it. Like I said, this may not be the highest paying roles, but easy to get in and start making money for yourself, like quick. This is the advantage of these particular roles, while you keep aiming for some other better roles. This is the whole point in this is the whole strategy. So guys, this was like the previous year of creating content was a very wonderful year, and I'm very grateful, and I hope this year a lot of you guys, in fact, we're going to get more roles, like definitely more roles. Thanks guys for being here, and I really appreciate you guys, and see you in another video.